What's up, guys? Windstorm here, bringing you guys a new update. This is on the TROLLTAGE 2.0. I was supposed to get it done today, but I've thought of new ideas of other shit of doing stuff. And I'll show you guys. I got a lot of clips. I'm gonna see how much I can do today. I have to add the text and all that shit. But I was gonna do something special too. Like, I got tons of clips. Hopefully it'll be done by tomorrow, but it's probably not going to be done by today. I'll be uploading other commentaries today, so you guys can watch that if you want. Probably not, it'll be uploaded by like 2 in the morning, so yeah. There's Windstorm update number like 32. Thanks for watching. Windstorm out.